How to reflow 3535 sized LEDs. You will need a soldering iron, soldering wire, flux paste, third hand, tweezers, digital multimeter, and safety glasses. Start by melting some solder on the tip of the soldering iron, and then put it on the back of the board. Once the flux starts to smoke, remove the LED. Add some solder on the pads of the board. The excess solder will be removed later. On the back of the replacement LED, add a little bit of flux paste. Heat up the board. Once the solder melts, seat the LED in the correct orientation. Tap on the dome to push out the excess solder. To improve the thermal conductivity, you may press the LED on the board while it cools down, but that's optional. Now use the tip of the soldering iron to wick the excess solder. Clean the board from flux residue using a Q-tip and isopropyl alcohol. Use the continuity tester in the multimeter to check for shorts. The multimeter should not beep. Now we successfully reflowed the LED. Now I'll repeat the same process on an Osram IR LED. It is similar in size to the Cree XP series LEDs, but the distance between its pads is less. So you need to reduce the amount of solder on the board so that you don't get a short circuit. Now let's remove the LED from the board. Start by tinting the tip of the soldering iron, and then put it on the back of the board. Once the flux starts to smoke, remove the LED. Add a small amount of solder on the pads of the board. Add flux paste on the pads of the LED. Heat up the board. Once the solder melts, seat the LED in the correct orientation. Don't move the LED until the board cools down. Clean the board from flux residue. Use the continuity tester to check for shorts. Done. If you like to see more videos like this, then please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.